Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add phone number on Gmail account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your Gmail account and make sure to log in into your Gmail account, and now tap on this red line icon to the top left corner and scroll down and tap on settings, and now tap on the Gmail account where you want to add your phone number, and tap on manage your Google account and tap on personal information, and here you'll find phone option, so tap on phone and tap on add now, and here you will need to verify your Gmail account using your Gmail account password, and tap on next, and now again tap on add now and select here country and enter here your phone number and tap on next and tap on get code, and you will get a verification code to your phone number. All you have to need, just enter the code and tap on verify. So that's how you can add phone number. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.